here today speaking with Cathy and Jenn from SUP Fitness. Thanks for joining me today, and thanks for being here today at our amazing dinner for all of our Leonardtown restaurant owners gathering together today to celebrate and be thankful. So tell me a little bit about the dish you prepared today.
We made a vegan smashed cauliflower with roasted garlic and brown butter sage. It doesn't have to be vegan, but we prepared it vegan with vegan butter and non-dairy milk.
So it's all cauliflower.
All cauliflower.
That's amazing. I thought those were mashed potatoes.
It looks just like it.
Tastes
Just like
I
it.
cannot wait to dig into that.
Yes,
Terrific.
it's delicious, super easy, great alternative if you're, a vegan or you're not eating carbohydrates. I love mashed potatoes, but this is amazing.
And the health factor as well, of course, right? So it's going to be higher up on the health factor scale for us.
Definitely.
Terrific. So I know that you do some classes and things where you're located, Shepherd's Field Market, right next door to that.
Right next door.
So tell me a little bit about some of the offerings you have at Root.
So what we have, we specialize in personal and small group training. We do stand-up paddleboard out of the Leonardtown Wharf during the summer months. And we do aerial yoga. And everything we do is around feeling good so that you can live your best life. We also offer classes like Pilates and boot camps and things like that. But yeah, we just want people to feel good.
So you are a full-service fitness area.
Full-service fitness
That's
center.
amazing. So real quick, if someone wants to sign up for your classes, how are they going to reach you?
Our website, rootsupfitness.com.
Okay, so your classes are there. They can sign up, get healthy, and right. It's the end of the year. Sometimes we do a lot of this, but we also need to make sure that we're healthy.
And we do have a podcast, Feel Good, Live Better, and we also have a YouTube channel, so we have lots of videos on there. So people are more than welcome to go to those places and see what we're all about.
Yeah, that's terrific. Thank you for joining me today. I cannot wait to dig into this. Cathy, Jenn, SUP Fitness.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.